bring those things here. What I want you to say, how did you get on that land? What are your agreements? What are the solutions you want to give?
Honorable Minister, I am on this land. I have a sub-lease.
That's what I want to hear. I want to hear. If you have a sub-lease, that's what the law will defend.
If there was nobody to make sure that place remains free, I want to assure you there will be no place to place a leaf.
That person is general. He's here. He's
so the very person I'm talking about.
Let the thing remain on the 700 acres. Let the other, and you are going to the one to put it in effect. Let the other balance go to the family, and her office will organize how the family will be moving to that balance.
I want to apologize to the family of late Vianjero, who thinks I'm a thief, I'm a terrorist, I'm bad.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.